So hello friends, from the last lecture we had started the microwave spectroscopy or the rotational spectroscopy. If molecule is to be microwave active or rotational active, it should possess a permanent dipole moment. This is the one of the most important condition so that the molecule undergo the rotational spectroscopy or microwave spectroscopy active. That is, molecule should possess permanent dipole moment. Right? In the last lecture we considered about the moment of inertia and derive one derivation related with the moment of inertia. Right? According to the Schrödinger wave equation, if we consider the molecule having rotational energy levels, right? That means when the molecule comes in contact with the rotational microwave radiation, it undergoes excitation from one level to another level because of energy goes on increasing. The energy at each level can be calculated by using the Schrödinger equation, right? And that energy in terms of a joule, in units of a joule, is given by EJ. That is energy, rotational energy at each level is equal to h square upon 8 pi square I, 8 pi square I into j plus 1, having the unit joules, right? Having the unit joules. Okay, but during the spectroscopy, while we consider the energy is not considered in terms of a joule. It should be considered in terms of wave number, that is centimeter per centimeter or centimeter inverse. Therefore, energy in centimeter inverse can be calculated by using the equation, that is EJ is equal to energy in joule divided by hc, where h is equal to Planck's constant and c is equal to velocity of light in centimeter per second, right? Therefore, above equation become h square upon 8 pi square I upon hc into j plus 1. Now unit becomes per centimeter or centimeter inverse. Therefore, EJ is equal to h and h goes on cancelling, h upon 8 pi square I into c, j plus 1 centimeter inverse, where h is equal to Planck's constant, pi is equal to constant, I is equal to moment of inertia, c is equal to velocity of light. In some books, here IB is a given, right? Okay, and that IB is nothing but moment of inertia. Okay, if this whole quantity is replaced, okay, by B, where B is equal to rotational constant, hence equation become Bj j plus 1 centimeter inverse, right? This is one of the most important equation which is useful for deriving rotational energy at each level, right? Where equation is EJ is equal to Bj j plus 1 centimeter inverse, where B is equal to rotational constant having the value h upon 8 pi square I into c, where j is equal to rotational quantum number, and these j value are starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, dot. Right? Now, this equation is useful to deriving the energy. Suppose these are the energy levels starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, so on. This is the j is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, from this equation we can calculate the energy right, of the each level. So we can able to calculate the energy by only the putting value of j, that is rotational quantum number, starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. And here we are deriving the rotational spectra for the rigid rigid molecule, right? Rigid means tough molecule. Okay, bond between them is a tough. Okay, so energy possessed at each level is equal to given by Bj j plus 1 centimeter inverse. Okay, put j is equal to 0, that is ground level or lower energy level. Okay, therefore Ej is equal to 0 is equal to B into 0 plus 1, having the unit centimeter inverse. Therefore Ej is equal to 0 is equal to 0. That means at ground level or 0 level, molecule possesses 0 energy, right? Molecule having the 0 energy, right? Putting j is equal to 1, when the molecule excite from 0 level to 1 level, okay, what are the energy changes? Okay, Ej is equal to 0, which is equal to B into 1 into J plus 1, 1 plus 1 having the unit centimeter inverse, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore, at one energy level, molecule having energy 2B centimeter inverse, right? Here energy is a 2B centimeter inverse. Putting the value J is equal to 3. Okay, therefore J is equal to 3 is equal to B into, J is equal to 2, okay, into 2 plus 1 centimeter inverse, 2 plus 1 3, 3 into 2 6, therefore at 3 level molecule possesses energy 6B centimeter inverse, right? Here the energy is 6B, right? By putting the same values, we can able to calculate here 12B, right? If I put the value J is equal to 4, what are the changes? 4 plus 5 into 4 is equal to 20B, okay. If I put the value J is equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 into 5 is equal to 30B, right? Therefore, energy goes on increasing. This is the ground level energy and these are the excited level because of the molecule absorb the microwave radiation and undergo rotation. Okay, rotational excitations, right? If suppose we want to calculate the difference between the two energy levels, of course we can calculate the difference between the two energy level of the molecule, right? When molecule undergo excitation from one level to another level, energy goes on increasing, and when energy goes on increasing, there is a difference between the energy between the two levels, so we can able to calculate the difference in energy between the two levels, right? Suppose I want to calculate delta E. Okay, so delta Ej can be calculated Ej plus 1 minus Ej. What is J plus 1? What is J? J plus 1 is equal to higher energy level, while Ej is equal to lower energy level. If suppose molecule undergo excitation from J is equal to 0 to J is equal to 1, right? We can calculate the difference between the energy for this. Therefore, delta Ej. What is the Ej? J plus 1 according to equation Ej is equal to B into Bj J plus 1 centimeter inverse, right? So Bj J plus 1 centimeter inverse, J plus 1 upper energy, Ej is equal to lower energy, right? Therefore, I can put one value 1 plus 1 minus B into 0 value 0 plus 1, right? Having the unit centimeter inverse. Therefore, delta Ej is equal to 1 plus 1 2B minus 0. Therefore, delta Ej from 0 to 1 is equal to 2B centimeter inverse, right? When molecule excite from the 0 energy to 1 energy level, it undergo, okay, having the difference between these two level is equal to 2B centimeter inverse. Same, suppose molecule undergo excitation from J is equal to 1 to J is equal to 2, right? Here we can calculate delta Ej from 1 to J is equal to 2, which is equal to same formula Bj J plus 1, J plus 1 upper value and J minus 1 or J is equal to lower value. Here upper value is equal to 2, therefore B into 2 plus 1 minus B into 1 plus 1 having the unit centimeter inverse. 2 plus 1 3, 6B minus here 1 plus 1 2B, which is equal to 4B centimeter inverse. That means when the molecule excites from first level to second level, the difference between the energy is equal to 4B. 4B amount of energy is required to rotate rotational excitation from one level to second level. Similarly, if you calculate the difference between these two levels, which is equal to 6B, right, which is equal to 8B, okay, which is equal to 10B, right? That means first, if I plot the spectra for this molecule, suppose this is a 0 energy level, first line will be appear at 2B, second line will be appear at 4B, then 6B, right? Okay, 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B, 10B, 12B, and so on. That means the molecule excite from one energy level to another energy level in such way having the difference, okay, like 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B, 10B, 12B, and so on. Suppose I want to calculate the molecule, okay, undergo excitation from J to J plus 1 level, right? J to J plus 1 level means in general way. Suppose I don't want to use this. Suppose I want to calculate the molecule excite from 10 level to 11 level, right? So this formula can be changes in general way as, suppose let consider, right? What should I call? Let consider, okay, molecule undergo excitation from J to J plus 1 level, then difference in energy between two levels can be calculated as, right? So I want to calculate the difference in energy. What is the formula? Ej to J plus 1, delta Ej J to J plus 1, which is equal to B J plus 1 minus Bj into J plus 1, right? Okay, by using this formula, that means only this formula, Bj J plus 1 centimeter inverse, okay. Now excitation is done from J to J plus 1. Therefore, in this formula, what changes I can do? What is the general formula? E is equal to Ej is equal to B into J plus 1 centimeter inverse. This is the general formula, right? Now upper level is J plus 1 and lower level is equal to only J. Therefore, upper level minus lower level. Therefore, B into, instead of J I can write J plus 1. Instead of J I can write J plus 1 minus Bj into J plus 1 having the unit centimeter inverse, right? Okay, this is nothing but J plus 1, J plus 2 minus Bj into J plus 1. Here J plus 1 is a common, B is a common. Therefore, common terms taking out outside, okay, B into J plus 1. What is the inside? J plus 2 minus J. Okay. Therefore, B J plus 1, J plus 2 minus J cancel. Okay. What is the formula? 2BJ plus 1 centimeter inverse. That means when the molecule excite from J to J plus 1, the difference between the two energy level can be given by 2B J plus 1 centimeter inverse, right? This is the general formula. And if you want to calculate the difference between the energy between the two levels, okay, whenever numerical will be asked according to this, always consider lower quantum number, right? Always put the value J value lower in this equation, never put the higher value of J in this equation. Remind this word, always remind this sentence, always put the lower value of quantum number, okay, right? Always put lower value of J in this equation, never put upper value of J while you calculating the difference between the energy of the two levels, right? And this is the spectra for rigid rotator, excitation from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. And in sometimes in examination there will be question asked about the what is the selection rule for this. Okay, always consider delta J is equal to plus or minus 1. This is the selection rule for this rotational spectroscopy. Always excitation is done according to 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. These are the allowed excitation or allowed transitions, right? Never excitation done like 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, right one? For microwave spectroscopy, the selection rule for the molecule is delta J is equal to plus or minus 1, right? Okay. According to this selection rule. right? Okay, I think this is sufficient about the rigid rotator. Next part will be considered in the next lecture.